alrededor. I have been drawing. Yo he estado dibujando. Would you like to see my drawings? ¿Quieres ver mis dibujos? We can also play a game. I drew things that start with la letra R. Sí, repite. R. Rana. Rosa. Estrella. Ratón. Which one of these does not start with R? You're right. Estrella does not start with R. Muy bien. I have some more drawings. This time, I drew things that start with la letra S. Repite. S. Muy bien. Sofá. Sombrero. Serpiente. Árbol. Which one of these does not start with S? You're right. Árbol does not start with S. Let's try another set of drawings. This time, I drew things that start with M. Repite. M. Mono. Barco. Mariposa. Mesa. Which one of these does not start with M? ¿Cuál no comienza con M? You're right. Barco. Barco no comienza con M. I have one last set of drawings to show you. Los últimos dibujos que te voy a mostrar. Yo dibujé cosas que comienzan con T. Repite. T. Muy bien. Tortuga. Tigre. Triangulo. Flor. Which one of these things does not start with T? You're right. Flor does not start with T. Flor no comienza con T. Muy bien. Maybe you should go and draw things that start with L. Send us your drawing. We would love to see them. Hasta luego.